Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevy Colorado Z71 in cherry red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 58,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7980A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.